Hello friends, welcome back again in my channel, the SAP Concept. Here in this slide, I will give you some more updates on the SAP overview along with the FICO module. Myself is Prem Kumar and I am SAP certified consultant in FICO module and having a practical experience in all industries across, including manufacturing, retail, public sector and utilities. So I am going to begin this session. Please have spare some time with me in this session. You will get to know the basic concept and easy to understand of the SAP ERP and how to handle it. Let's start. This is the first screen as I have already shown you earlier. The same thing slide is here also. The things I had some points I have updated here like history and overview of SAP. Here is the FICO module prepared by me. So this is the introduction to the SAP. SAP is the leading ERP package. It enables an enterprise to undertake its day-to-day activities and effective and efficient way. The use of this package makes it possible to track and manage in real time, like sales, production, finance, accounting. It is customizable, portable, and scalable. It is fully integrated and compatible across business functions. SAP is the name of the company as well as ERP product. The SAP company AG is located in Germany, Frankfurt. There is some brief history of this SAP. It was founded in the year 1972 by Warren Luther, Hopp, Hector, Plattner, and Srira. The name was SAP is System Application and Product in Data Processing. It was renamed in 1977. Before 1977, it was termed as System Analysis and Program Development. SAP provides different industry solutions. That means in different types of industry, SAP has different type of packages and process, which has been given by the SAP company as per the user requirement, like aerospace, defense, automotive, banking, chemicals, consumer product, engineering, financial service provider, healthcare, high tech, higher education, research, insurance, media, meal products, mining, oil and gases, pharmaceuticals, public sector, retail, service provider, telecommunication, utility, and so on. This SAP has an integration with the different type of modules, which are finance and accounts, sales, purchasing, inventory, production plan, and all the data is updated accordingly in real time in all of the modules. There is a to and fro motion of the data exchange between the modules and SAP. These are the modules in SAP. The first one is financial accounting, which is related to the finance only, like preparing of ledger, general, trial balance, etc., and balance sheet. Controlling. Now, other one is the CO, controlling. This controlling is a typically internal accounting which is used for the management part, like to calculate operating profit and contribution margin. Material management, sales distribution, operational. These are the logistic parts wherever it is being used in the shop flow of the operational unit, from where most data points and flow to the FI. These are some table of contents organized like organization structure, FI overview, master data, and some processes I have covered in this slide. There are some controlling master data as well. One is cost center, one is profit center. CO process, cost center accounting I have covered in this slide. Organization structure. Organization structure is the level of hierarchy in the organization which consists of operational units and company code. Company code is a legal entity declared to the government for external accounting. This company code is a 4-digit alphanumeric, alphabetic, and numeric. Operation units are the plant where all the manufacturing processes are carried out. This FI module provides an integrated online real-time functionality for processing, recording, and maintaining the financial transactions. This chapter objective is to provide a general overview of financial accounting module and submodules. There is a various integration point among the financial submodules and other asset modules. This is the screen which comes when you enter into the SAP systems. These are the SAP F5 submodules, that is general ledger, account receivables, account payables, fixed assets, and the rest other four are not oftenly used in all organizations. This is the customer specific packages being offered by the SAP to use in a specific organization, like especially in public sector, travel management is used and for the travel agencies, legal consolidation where it is used in the most of the government sector, and the higher management level. But the above four modules are a common module which is always being used in every organization. Now, generally, they integrated with the other applications modules and FI submodules for the data entry. It's a user-defined. It has a user-defined balance sheet and payment statement versions in multiple currency and having flexible report generation. This is account receivable. A real-time integration with general ledger, integration with sell cycle with SD modules and material management, integration treasury, credit management, incoming payment, and automatic billing. Account payable real-time integration with general ledger, integration with material management as part of procurement cycle, integration with the treasury, outgoing payment and vendor cost payments. Fixed asset accounting, the real-time integration with general ledger, the batch processing, posting of depreciation, expense interest, and replacements. It has an integration with the MM, PP, FIAR, FIAP, CO, and P. This is the screen of the treasury management, wherever cash management, cash budget management, and treasury management loan are being represented. But this module is basically used in the supply chain management, wherever any organization deals with the money market and who grant the loans or which has an operation in treasury, like government sectors, we have a treasury operation. There this module can be used. This is SAP and integration. The first circle is showing the technical integration. That means we have to configure some integration and assignment of real account in backend from where the data is being flowed to one module to another module. If any data post in logistics, all those information gets flows to the account. Benefits of the integration. This is timely access to common information, flexible and adaptable to growth, elimination of duplicate entry, increased visibility of business results, minimization of system interface, immediate reflection in financial impact, capture of decisions for better control. This is a summary of and overview of FI submodules, that is FIGL, FIAR, FIAP, FIAA. The abbreviation is already explained earlier. What belongs to the GL, AR, AP, and AA. These are the key terms. You may have to memorize these things and integration as well. Now we come to the master data. Master data is the entity defined in the system which exists for a long time and record all transactional fields. Below are the master data which is defined in SAP FI, that is GL master, vendor master, customer master, and asset master. The description of this GL vendor customer master is already written in this slide. You may refer to that. You will be able to understand. All are written in a very simple language. The transition codes for the above master data. Here I have discussed some transition codes for maintaining the master data for GL account, vendor, customer, and assets. We have FS00 for GL account. In this transition code, we can create, change, and display in single transition code. But in case of vendor and customer, And as I said, we have a three separate tools for display, create, and change. The details are mentioned in this slide. You may refer. This is a transition code for the FI process. These are those processes which is basically covered in finance and accounts. That is a GL voucher entry, vendor invoice, customer invoice, vendor payment, customer payment, clearing process, asset posting, closing operations. The T code are already mentioned according to the level of process. The detailed demo video I will upload later on in my next update. Now come to controlling master. As we have discussed earlier, there is a cost center, profit centers are the basic controlling master data which is often used with the finance and, and accounts. The data is posted in FI that has to flow to CO. This is always done with the cost center. And all the P&L reportings and PL inventory data are flow to the CO. The transition code for the cost center, profit center master is same as we have discussed about the vendor, customer, and asset. That three separate codes is for create, change, and display. And for cost center posting in CO, where it is written KB11. These are the brief idea of the SAP FICO along with the SAP overview, which is easy to understand for all freshers. For demo video, I will update and upload in my channel later on in next session. Thank you very much.